Good morning. It's Monday the 29th. After that horrific sell-off on a half day on Friday, 106 points in a half day, man. That was so crazy. But look, that's got to be a buying opportunity because that's a light volume sell-off based on news. Now they're coming out. The symptoms aren't all that bad. It's a knee-jerk reaction. And if we didn't get trashed due to COVID, due to the Delta variant, then I don't think we're getting trashed due to this variant. The economy's strong. There was good shopping. I think it was up 28% from last year, or up 47% from last year, but down 28% from pre-pandemic shopping. And that's mall visits or brick and mortar sales. But that makes sense because the culture is really gravitated towards online sales and things like that. So things look good. Things look good. This is a buy the dip. So as such, we're not going to go crazy looking at every stock. I think you can go across the board and just buy what you like. Here's the daily on the futures. There's the tank down. It opened a little bit lower than the close and then popped up. So this could be setting up a bear flag, but I don't think so. If it stays under 50% of retracement, then we have to watch for a flag. But if it goes beyond a 50% retracement, that doesn't give a lot of strength to a flag. So it could even retrace today and then trigger tomorrow, maybe come down, hit the 50-day, and then turn around, take off. But I don't see a reason for everybody to be bailing out on this. I still feel that we'll get our Christmas rally. I would like to see just incredible buying going in today and really surge us back. I mean, I'm not expecting that we make back the 106 points, but a good move up would be encouraging. And if we close up strong, that would be even more encouraging. So this is the S&P, and right now, what? Am I reading that right? It's up 60 points. Yeah, that's what it is. I'll be a monkey's uncle. So that's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. So let's say we're 1 for 1. I think we're relatively close. 94, 594. So we're looking at like 650, man. Me loves it. No, yeah, we're looking at 650. So yeah, we break that high. Oh, that's gonna be a home run. Yeah, maybe we could look for half a retrace to 681. Oh, I would love that move because I've got aggressive on Friday. I was buying some stuff. I mean, that move will be so aggressive that I'll probably even take profits a little bit at the end of the day and look for a little dip to get back in. If we get a good 60-point run up, oh, that would be lovely, lovely. So anyway, let's hope we have a good day like that, man. Nobody needs this aggravation. We're all stuck at home. We're dealing with the disease. The very least, we could have the market go up. Biden's Build Back Better plan was signed. We have a debt ceiling issue. Nobody's really talking about it. I think we still have a debt ceiling issue out there, but we know they're going to resolve that. I mean, it's ridiculous. We can't keep shutting down the country. This needs to be some unity. Instead of this, us against them, it's the two extremes. The extreme left, the extreme right, just making all of us sane people miserable. So anyway, that's the short of the long. We're looking at the daily. The momentum has. Oh, that's the 60. I'm sorry. Okay, so actually we get that big spike. We want to see this momentum start to turn. The 60 starting to turn. That's cool. The 120 starting to turn. We need to turn it. That's all. I think today might be one of those unusually strong days. So anyway, that's what I'm looking for. So everybody, good luck in your trading. I think you can't miss. No matter if you bought on Friday, if you took a little bit of advice and chipped away at stuff, I think you would have done very well. I already see XOM's up $1. Viacom's beating the hell out of me. Tesla's up 19. This gave you a good opportunity to get into TBT. Pulled it back off the 17s, and look, over the long run, we know that they're going to raise interest rates. They raise interest rates, TBT is going to go up. So, yeah, that one's just a matter of time. But anyway, there was just good buying, good buying opportunities on Black Friday, and I hope everybody took advantage of it. So remember, if you're strung out like Psycho Trader, which he was calling me all day Friday, all weekend, I had to tell him to just leave me alone. I'm trying to chill out for the weekend. But if you're feeling that pressure, then you're trading too high. You gotta have good risk management. You gotta watch your bottom line. Meditate a little bit when you trade. Trade in peace. And to everybody out there, good luck trading.